and BC, so you put the ammeter over here, and between A and B would measure all the currents for all the 4 resistors. Between B and C would measure the current going inside R2, R3, and R4. Between C and D would measure the current going through R3 and R4. And between D and E would measure the current going through R4. Because they are in parallel, they will share the same voltage, but the current would be the summation of the current going through R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. If you want to measure, for example, just the current passing R1, you have to disconnect point B and the connection of R1 and put the ammeter in series with R1. And then you would fill the tables and answer the questions. Next week, in the next class, we will be doing according to the order. I have to rearrange the order, the lab orders, but we would do series parallel DC circuits and probably a little bit about diodes as well. Thank you so much for joining me today in this class, and I will see you next week.